And with that damn blasted woman there. She don't know say I'm Reggae night. The one Tracy. Tracy, you're not ready yet. I'm Reggae night. Tracy.
Mickey, you were right. It's such a willing oh.
Come on, woman. Damn blasted woman. You don't know say I'm Reggae night. A big night. And you in a shower. How long you taking a shower? How much body you have to wash in that damn shower? Me call you, me text you. What you want me to do? You want me to fax you?
No, Mickey. Do the thing, do the rocking and a swing, reggae night thing. Me darling, let's do the reggae night thing. Mickey.
Gather round in the county players home reggae night thing. Baby, make we do the reggae night thing. Tracy. Friday, 11th of November, in the county. Jetaset sound. DJ Mickey. And the one Tracy. We are going to tear on the walls. We are going to mash up the place. It's going to hot like Beyonce Batty.
Uh-oh.